I want to log in this. I want to log in into my web page. So for to log in, we need to discuss about sessions and cookies, because sessions use it to pass the values from one page to another page, and cookies also use it to pass from one page to another page. But session deal with servers and the cookies deal with browsers. So I want say just like same registration form, having only two fields. So that is up to here. So here I am removing this login page, and in between this, and I am pasting that tag. So here just close the form tag directly. So I want password, I want email, but I don't want name. So remove this name. And here I want a button. So that is, so just, and then finally close the div. So now just execute this and refresh this. So here what we have within the registration form, but I don't want submit. Here I want message called login. So login. So this is my registration form and this is my login form. If user click in the login and I want to verify this email and passwords are exist in my database or not. If both the combination are exist, then you can log in. But while login, you need to check your website may be attacked by SQL injection. So look at this. So again, check form is submitted or not, and once form is submitted, then you need to verify in database. So here if is set of dollar underscore post of submit. So get the email, dollar underscore post of email, then second get the password, dollar underscore post of password. But I have stored the password in MD5, so I need to convert this into MD5. MD5. Right. Now I am writing a query. So here query is, so first let me see how SQL injection is affected. So select star from table name is users, where I am not adding the password now, just I am adding, only email. So look at this, and then close this one, then execute this one, execute this one, execute this one, mysql underscore query of dollar SQL, and I am directly stop the execution if I get any error, because I want to see whether it is affected through SQL injection or not. So now look at this. So I am checking whether the data is returns or not. So num underscore rows of dollar res. If it is equal to zero in the sense, he is not login. So sorry, I'm giving a normal message. So if it is not equal to zero in the sense I got some data, so I'm giving a message called welcome. So just check this one, how SQL injection is affected. So here this is the name, and I entered a value called ABCD. So when I'm click on the login button, look at our query. So it's email address abc@gmail.com, and click on the login button and look at this. What is the message here? Select a star from users where email equal to at the abcd@gmail.com. But within my database, abcd@gmail.com is not exist. So at that time, look at this. So just assume I am changing it into type is email into text box because I want to see the SQL injection effect. So just refresh this. So now again enter the ABCD. So this time he has entered a semicolon in my text box and 1 equal to 1, but he did not close the tag. Observe that one. So he has written some email address and he closed the email with a single quotes, and or you open this and click on the login button. And what is the message I got here? Welcome, right? But the same value entered before that, but I got sorry, but the same value entered here. Now I got success. So just to print this query, look at that query, how it formed. So look at the query, select a star from users where email equal to abcd@gmail.com or 1 equal to 1. So in this case, email equal to at the rate of gmail.com is failed, but 1 equal to 1 is true. So that's why we got the data. So whenever we are retrieving the data from database, whenever we are taking input from the user, so compulsory apply your mysql underscore real underscore escape underscore string function. It will skip the unwanted characters from the user string. Now I am giving the same text box. I'm not changing this one. I just added the mysql underscore real underscore escape underscore strings here. So he is entered the same value entered previous case. Now look at this and click on the login button, but I got the message called sorry, but same value he entered before, but I did not apply the mysql underscore real underscore escape underscore string. And it is a very useful function in PHP to stop my SQL injection. So SQL injection in the sense they will write the improper queries using the SQL, but they can get the data. SQL is a standard language. If you write the correct syntax, you will get the output. If you're not writing the correct syntax, you will get a error. But by using these injections, I will write a improper query. That means the query is technically the query is correct, but originally the query is not correct. So now look at this. If I get any error message, so simply same, just like same. So if combination is failed, in the sense I am giving a message called warning. So it's invalid username and password. So now if success is failure is available, just check this one, and it is available, just print that value. So now check again. So he is entered some dummy values and click on the values and click on the login button. So here I got the message called welcome, welcome. So he is entered something, and click on this and click on the login button. So it's not the valid email. So I entered some value here, and I'm click on this. So look at the message. What is the message? Warning, invalid username and password. So here after that, and compulsory add password equal to, here password equal to dollar password. Now execute this query. Both combination must be true. So here abcd@gmail.com and enter something and click on the submit button. I got one warning, invalid username and password. So here I have lamp@gmail.com and I entered lamp and my password is also lamp. So I entered and click on that. So what is the message we got here? Welcome. But once user is okay, there is no issues in the sense, you can directly redirect it into our home page. So but before going to home page, we need to create some session variables, because by using that session variables we can verify who is logged in and what is his name and what is his status and just like that. So just for this, first I am getting that result. So just to fetch the data, mysql underscore fetch underscore assoc of dollar res. So I want to create some session variables. So I am just starting my session underscore start. So I am starting in my config file, because if I started in config file, automatically all pages will be affected. So here I created a session variable. So here I started the session variable. Now I am creating session variable. My first session variable is id. Here dollar unders, where is the id? It is in my resultant query id. So here after that, dollar underscore session of name equal to dollar result of name, right? So after that, no need to stay in this page, immediately redirect to location called home.php. So here, and I'm starting the output buffer also for catching, for cache memory, deal with cache memories. So now if successfully logged in and I created two session variables, immediately he has redirected to home page. If you are not correct, immediately will get a message called invalid username and password. Go to your home page, and here I am checking whether the session variable is available or not. To check that one, so dollar underscore post of, what is that? It's sorry, it's session. So here, so here I am checking for id. So when id is available in the sense, so session user is logged in. When session variable is not available in the sense, user is logged out. So here the message is echo dollar underscore session of name. Now execute this one. So once, if user successfully logged in, he is redirected to home page. Within the home page, I am checking whether the session variable is available or not. If session variable is not available, I am giving a message called welcome to home page. If session variable is available, I am giving a message called dollar underscore echo welcome. Welcome. So welcome, and here the name is dollar underscore session of name. So now just verify it again. So here abcd is not available. So lamp, and his password also lamp, and click on the login button, and he is redirected to home page. And look at the message, what we got, we got welcome lamp. But that means the person is already logged in. When the person is logged in, I don't want to display this login. Here I want to give some other message. So go to the header page, and where is the menus, and here these are the menus. So observe carefully here. So here I am giving PHP. So here I am writing some code here, but this code is executes when I have the session variable only. When I don't have session variable, no need to execute this code. So this is for when the session variable is available. So now execute this one. So and then again open the PHP tags. First close this one and close the else. So here, and after that this is for only else. That means when I don't have session variable, but the above code must, this condition executes when I have the session variable. So look at this. When I have the session variables, so first I am giving a option called, here it's profile. That means the login person profile. So here is password. Change password, and then I am creating logout. Logout. So then, and I am creating one more for, so it's edit profile. Change profile. So now execute this one. Now I have session variable. So that means I got, what are the menus? Home, about us, contact, registered, profile, change password, and then finally log out. If the person is logged out, in the sense, simply give a message called login. So even what is the code we will write for logout? So simply we will write just session underscore destroy. So because if user click on the logout, in the sense, I just want to destroy my session, and then redirect it to destroy, and then redirect it to location.php, and redirected to login.php, and I have given a message called logout equal to 1. So this is for my acknowledgement, and go to the login and check that logout variable is available or not. So just you look at this. If is set of dollar underscore get of, that variable is logout. So when the logout is available, I am giving the message call. I don't want any warning message. So just message, you have successfully logged out. So now just execute this one. Now I am click on the logout button. So session destroy, call to undefined function, because I did not started my session. So where is that logout page? And I think session is already started in header. So somewhere we made mistake. Call to undefined function destroy, dstro, session destroy. So just execute this. I made spelling mistake here. session underscore destroy. Now just execute this one. So immediately I have logged out to my home page. Look at the menus. What are the menus we got here? Home, about, contact us, registered. And I again log in, lamb, and my password is lamb, and click on that. I got message called welcome lamb, and here these are my menus. In my next videos, I am going to tell about profile, change profile, and passwords. So thank you.